Hi guys! Welcome back. I'm back. Kasi hindi ako makatulog. So, we need to do this. Na lang. Punta na tayo sa mga dresses. Dress. It's too many. Wala lang. Triple lang. Ayan. Let's start dito. Oh my god. Super red. Super duper red. Yeah. I like the material, you know? Makapal siya. I like it. And ang cute niya, guys. Let's see. This is large. Large siya. And then, again, red. Ewan ko, pero I'm addicted to red now. Nowadays. Char. Ayun, ang cute. Ayun. And may paganito siya. Ang cute lang. Girly girly. Wait, what's this? What size is this? Wala. Asan size niya, day? Wala akong makitang tag. Ayun. L din. L pa rin. And then, here. Oh, this. Oh. Later. That's later. It's not dress. Kaya later. Tapos, this one. Oh my god. This is so cute. Actually, binili ko to before. Nung kami pa ng, you know, gusto niya yung covered. So, I buy this. Covered. It's just cutie. Hindi ko alam kung anong size na to. Maybe XXL? Yeah, XL pa rin. Pero I like the material. Makapal din siya, ganun. And anong kulay nito? Rose red ba? Maroon? I don't know. Pero, yeah. Shade pa rin ng red. Tapos, punta tayo dito. Diba? Patapos na yung winter, pero here I am. Chanan! Oh my god! Masyadong malaki. Masyadong malaki for me. I didn't expect it. Ano size nito? It's XL naman. It's XL pero masyadong malaki. But I will use it for oversized cherries. Ganun. Makapal din siya kasi I don't know, parang pang winter siya, yung cloth niya, yung material, whatever, I don't know. Ito din for the winter, ang ano, makapal din siya, tapos I like it. Long dress. It's a long dress. Tapos, may slit siya. May slit ba siya? May slit siya ng konti. Here. Yeah. Magto-try on tayo sa next. Pakita ko muna ngayon. We'll just see it now. Pakita ko muna. Ito-try on ko pag laban na. Nalabhan na. Okay. So, other one. It's large pa rin. Large pala lahat nakuha ko. Yes. Yeah, it's too big pa rin. Pero, okay lang. Medyo, ano ba to? Medyo stretchy din kasi. Kaya I want it to fit. Sana, pero medyo maluwag. Ng konti. Konti lang naman, guys. Ayun. And other one. Green naman siya. Olive green ba tawag dito? Yes. Winter vibes yan, day. Here. Tapos, ala, parang magka-size sila, pero this is 2XL. And this is L. Pero parang magka-size sila. Konti lang yung luwag. And may belt siya, guys. May belt siya. Like this. Maybe I will use this for my OOTD sa gala. Char! Next one will be ito. Pwede na siguro ito pang summer char. Pang summer eme. Long sleeve, short dress lang siya. Makapal din siya. Makapal yung tela. What's this? Anong size nito? Wait. It's XL. XL. Next is this one. Oh my god. I like this. Ang cute lang. It's gray, long dress, long sleeves, and then ayan, long dress, long sleeves. Ayan. Pag nalabhan ko na mga today, mag-try on haul tayo. Ayoko kasi ginagamit pag hindi nalabhan. Ito naman, for winter. Cute lang. It's large. Kaya feeling ko para akong suman neto. Kasi large siya. Large lang siya, hindi siya XL. Ganun. And then the other one. Large din to. Oh. It's 2-piece. This. Tapos may pants. Pants ba to? Or skirt? Pants. May pants siya. Makapal siya. I like it. So stretchy. So comfy. Yun. Ayun! Next one. Oh, ang cool naman ito. Short dress siya. Short. Short na dress. Saan ba yung harap nito? Where's the harap? I don't know. Pero ganun. Short dress siya. And then makapal din yung tela. Pero ito, medyo, yeah, see-through char. Ayun. Last but not the least, this one, XL. 1XL. Isa lang pala yung 2XL. More on XL and 1XL pala kinuha ko. 1XL siya. Pero, oh my god, it's too big. For oversize na lang na outfitan. It's denim. And I like it so much. So, ayun lang guys. Lalaban ko na guys. Bye!